Hello everyone. Now I am your science teacher Rashid Khan from LPM Public School Gulabazar, and guys, the student, we have to move on. Types of changes. So in which two important changes are there? First one is reversible changes and irreversible. Reversible changes and irreversible changes. And physical and chemical changes, we have already discussed on that. So we have to move on the topic reversible and irreversible changes. Types of changes. In which reversible changes. What are the reversible changes? Reversible changes are those changes in which we can obtained the substance which is already been changed into its original form. So we can say a reversible change is a change in which the original substance can be obtained back. The reversible changes is the changes in which the original substance is obtained back. Why? By reversible actions are reversible changes. A reversible changes is a changes in which the original substance may get obtained back by the reversible actions. So we can say this is a reversible changes. Likewise, the water changes into water vapors. The water vapors it can also be changed into the water. The ice converted into the water. The water can also be converted into the ice. The evaporations, the condensation, these are the process by which we can obtain some original substance. Here you can see some other example of that. Therefore, the changes which is occur in their size, shapes, states, that can be possible, but it got be find in their original positions, in their original form. Here we can say in a solution of a salt and water, when the solution get ready, it will be evaporated and we can obtain salt and sugar as well. So it is another example of when the water get heated, it will be changing into the evaporation, that is the evaporization, and by cooling it, it will be again come to its original state. So these are all effect about the reversible changes. Now we have to move on the irreversible change. What are the irreversible change? Irreversible change. What is the irreversible change? Irreversible change is a type of a change in which no original substance get back into its original state after being completion of the changes. We can say the changes which cannot be reversed by the changing the physical conditions. These are known as irreversible changes. Irreversible are those changes in which no original substance obtained, or we can say the changes in which we cannot, the changes which cannot be reversed by changing the physical conditions. This one is called as a irreversible changes. Likewise, sharpening of pencils, and making up, turning the paper into pieces, melting of candles, mixing a different type of dry fruit into the milk. These are the different type of irreversible changes. Now we have to move on the slow and fast changes. Slow and fast changes. What are these slow and fast changes? These are actually about the changes which can takes place in a very short period of time. This one is said to be fast changes, and the changes which takes a long time to complete, that one is called as a slow reactions, are the slow changes. In the fast and slow changes, there are the two. One second. Slow and fast changes. There is a slow. It is the types of change in which take very long time to complete. This one is called slow changes. The changes which can be completed in a very long period of a time, that is called the slow changes. Slow changes are that changes that take a long time and process occurs very slowly. Take a very long time and in each process occur slowly. So this one is called as a slow changes. This occurs very slowly, not slowly, occurs very slowly. So this one is called slow changes. For example, what are the slow changes? Changing of changing of seasons, and resting of iron, germination of a seed. These are all about the slow changes. Now we have to move on fast changes. Now we have to define about fast changes. Fast changes are those changes which can take a very short period of time to complete. We can say fast change are change that takes very short period of a time. Place a short period of time. Fast changes are the change that takes very short time to complete. Process takes place called fast changes. For example, burning of paper, and bursting of crackers, dissolutions of solid water, burning of paper, crackers, bursting of cracker, and dissolving solvent. So these are all about the slow and fast changes. Now we have to study about have to go through the desirable and undesirable changes. The desirable and undesirable changes. The desirable change. The desirable change is a change that happens according to our will. That means it can completely in our control. That is a desirable. Or we can say what the changes we want to do. That is called the desirable change. That we have the total control on it. This one is called desirable change. Or we can say these are the changes which are positive and what one want. These are the positive and what one want. That is called desirable change. Likewise, like ripening of a fruit, toasting of a bread. Ripening of a fruit and toasting the bread. Next, undesirable. Undesirable. Undesirable means what? These are the changes, or we can say those changes which are harmful or having no use. These are harmful changes and having no use. This one is called undesirable change. Desirable and undesirable change. Next, periodic and non-periodic list. Non-periodic change. Periodic and non-periodic change. Periodic and non-periodic changes. Periodic changes, so such type of changes which happens, which repeat their state after a complete time, after a complete action. Likewise, periodic changes are those which occur at a regular interval or time or keep repeating at regular intervals. What are these actually? Periodic changes are those which happens at a fixed interval or at a time or which keep repeating repeating at regular interval. Regular intervals. So we can say this is the periodic change, as changing of day and night, changing of season, Halley's comet, the school bell. These are all about the changes which is periodic. And second one is non-periodic. Non-periodic changes. Non-periodic changes are those changes that do not depend depends